So it was a day of high drama in Bengal. Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee today took to the streets in what is being seen as a massive show of strength after the Enforcement Directorate raided multiple premises, including the office of IPAC, a political consultancy firm working with the Trinamool Congress on their election strategy for the upcoming Bengal Assembly elections. In Delhi, her party MPs protested against the ED action. But the ED also hit back, accusing the Chief Minister and the Bengal administration of obstructing government servants from discharging their duty and forcibly walking away with a laptop, mobile phone and documents during ED search operations. The Calcutta High Court was unable to hear the case given the commotion in the courtroom. Our Bengal Bureau brings you our top story tonight.
হামলাকারী পার্টি, অত্যাচারী পার্টি, অনাচারী পার্টি, দুরাহারি পার্টি, দুরাচারী পার্টি। बीजेपी को हम हरा के रखेंगे।
She has put the entire democratic process and governance to shame.
The TMC versus BJP face-off spills onto the streets, from Kolkata to the national capital. Mamata Banerjee leads a protest march in the state capital, directly targeting the ED.
কিন্তু এটা দুর্বলতা নয়। আপনারা মিটিং করলে পেছনে পুলিশ, সামনে পুলিশ, ওদিকে সিআরপিএফ, ওদিকে বিএসএফ, ওদিকে আইএসএফ, কে না আছে?
This a day after she stormed the ED raids at IPAC linked premises in Kolkata and took papers during the searches. Both sides approached the High Court, but chaos reigned in court. The court deferred the hearing, next date January 14th. ED sources meanwhile have told India Today that tense scenes played out as the Chief Minister reached the raid site. She allegedly took Pratik Jain's phone, while the DGP warned ED officials not to record recoveries in the Panchnama. Targeting arrests, officers claim intimidation, pressure to dilute reports, and harassment of independent witnesses. The BJP goes on the offensive. Alleging unconstitutional conduct and misuse of state police, they have petitioned the Bengal governor.
The entire action of the Chief Minister is not only unethical, irresponsible, unconstitutional, but she has put the entire democratic process and governance to shame.
एक सीनियर पॉलिटिशियन, एक चीफ मिनिस्टर जो संविधान हाथ में रखते हुए ओथ लिया है, उनका इस तरीके से कार्रवाई सीधा संविधान के ऊपर हमला है।
The governor sent a clear message: no one is above the law, no matter how powerful.
There is a dictum which is well known. Howsoever how high you think you are, the law is always above you. We will see that law is enforced in any manner that is required. Now that it is before the High Court, let us wait for the judgment, then I will give my comment.
The Bengal fight also reached Delhi. TMC MPs held protests outside the Home Ministry.
ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी की हिम्मत नहीं कि वह वहां आकर ममता बंदोपाध्याय के विरुद्ध जीत सके। जो भी रेड हुआ है वह रेड उचित नहीं है, अनुचित है। जीतने के लिए वह कुछ भी करने को तैयार है।
You see some names here on this poster. The names are Ajit Pawar. The Prime Minister himself said 70,000 crores is the scam that he's been. Where is he today? Deputy Chief Minister. Where is he today? In Maharashtra, running the government with the BJP. So why is the ED selectively only for the opposition and a washing machine for those that the BJP like?
Tempers flared. MPs were detained and released later, but the confrontation continues.
You're seeing what is happening to MPs. All our MPs have been picked up. Stop, Governor. Governor, no. Don't mention. ये मत करो.
Raids to rallies, courts to crowds. ED versus Didi is no longer just an investigation. It is a centerpiece of Bengal's pre-election battle. And escalation is far from over. With Indrajit Kundu and Amit Bhardwaj, Bureau Report, India Today.